we just got our set of chickens here. These are all female. These are native chickens is what they call it. I want to start breeding some of these and basically have some for our own personal consumption. So there's 3 of them here, and I got 2 more at the back there. So we'll add this to the flock. So we got 1 rooster there, and we got the 3 ladies here recovering from their trip back home here. They're quite exhausted probably. They're drinking a lot of water right now. And you got the rooster there just saying hi to them. This is how our chicken coop looks like right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and build a nesting area for the chickens right over there. So it's looking pretty barren. That's back there is where the chickens normally roost. So I'm just putting some sidings on the nesting area for our chickens. So I'm actually using bamboo slats for the walling of the nesting area here. And it's the first time I'm actually using bamboo, and so it's a bit different in terms of when you're actually trying to hit it with the nail and whatnot. But overall, it's similar to using wood. It's fairly easy. It's just that it's a bit of a tedious task, and again, going back to the weather down here, it's pretty hot and humid right now, so I'm sweating like hell. But it's almost we're almost there. So you guys can see the structure is there. The only thing that's going to be missing is the walling and the roof. And then we're going to put some nesting beds here, and then it's the project is going to be practically done. So in order to make sure that we don't split the bamboo in half there, I'm actually using 1-inch nails. It's just enough to basically go through the bamboo and attach itself to the wood part here. The nesting area is almost done. The roof's done. The sidings is done. We're actually gonna put the nesting baskets that we created earlier. I'll make sure to put a link above in case you guys haven't seen that one. But yeah, so we're gonna put these nesting beds along these rails here, and that will basically conclude our project for today.
You look like you're in a prison.
Help me. So our friend Dominic here is actually going to put the eggs, the nesting baskets right now. He's going to line them up right there.
Ito kuya, 4, 3.
Kung ano kasha, kung 4, dahil 8 yan, di ba? So yeah, we're just gonna basically line the nesting eggs right there along the rails, And then Dominic is basically gonna secure them so that just to make sure that it's nice and stable when the chicken starts laying eggs in there. As you guys can tell, the chickens are getting a bit excited for their nesting eggs. All the females is actually starting to lay eggs, which is pretty good timing on us to basically build this nesting area for them. So this is actually a new member of our hens, and she's not quite accepted yet by the group. The male chicken is actually still fighting her, and I guess he's still trying to determine the pecking order where this one's gonna go, but she's new to the flock here, and yeah, she's a bit stressed right now. She's been running all over the place because the male chickens keeps chasing after her. So as much as possible we want to stick to organic, so any extra fruits that we've been harvesting from our fruiting trees, we've been giving it to our chickens. And notice right here is actually a Chico fruit that they actually enjoy as a treat there. So Merry Christmas to us. We actually got chicks on Christmas Eve. So there's a dozen of them right there. There's unfortunately one that that died because it got squashed there. But yeah, there's a total of a dozen chicks right now.